Today, we're looking at BUR7 acrylic-based metal edge repair. Before we get started, let's always follow OSHA and local safety requirements when working on roofs. Always plan your work in advance. This includes products and tools needed to complete the project. Another consideration is weather. It can impact the installation and proper curing of APOC products. Additional information on weather requirements can be found at apoc.com. The two most common edge metal failures are curling of the membrane and splitting of the metal flange interface. Let's look at a repair method using sealant. Always clean the surface. Mark a line a minimum of 2 inches back from the roof edge. Use a hook blade utility knife and scraper to cut out and remove the 2-inch wide marked strip of membrane. Thoroughly clean the newly exposed metal flashing. For a professional look, mask off the repair area. Measure and cut a piece of Incredible Fleece Top repair tape. Remove the release liner and apply APOC Incredible Fleece Top tape, centered over the hidden metal flange edge. Work in Incredible tape with a seam roller. Apply APOC 264 flash and seal over the Incredible tape. Roll out a piece of APOC 483 polyester fabric. Using industrial shears, cut the APOC 483 polyester fabric. Apply APOC 483 polyester. Using a chip brush, embed the polyester into APOC 264. Apply a finish layer of APOC 264. For a professional look, remove the masking tape. Now, your APOC BUR7 acrylic-based metal edge repair is complete. For additional information on energy efficiency, maintenance coatings, liquid applied roofing, visit us at apoc.com.